Hey there, it's Laura Jean. Want to do a quick review on this iProven DMT-77 ear and forehead thermometer. Now, it comes in this nice box with great instructions. There's a cleaning cloth and the unit itself. The unit feels really light in your hands. It feels really high quality. And to activate it, we just take off the sticker on the display, remove this that separates the batteries, and it comes on immediately. To use, you just hold it about an inch from the forehead and press go. It takes just seconds to register. And there I've got a nice, good green light. That means that she's within the normal range. To use the ear, you take off the cap, press the button, put it up to your ear, and press the button again. Now, I didn't get it in my ear, so I got an alert with the yellow. Then I put it in a little deeper, and I got a go with the green. So with this thermometer, you can store up to 20 separate temperatures, which seems like a lot to me. I played around with the distances. I was a little bit too far away and I got the alert. I went way back and clearly that was like bad. And then I went right about the appropriate place and you can see I got a green light. Now, this thing is so easy to use. I love the alerts, the lightings, the versatility by being able to go to ear to forehead so easily. I'm really happy with this and I recommend it.